guys, and today we are trying exotic Japanese snacks.
Yeah, boy.
I'll give you guys the first look because, you know.
I want to try some of those.
Uh-oh. What is that? Look. Oh my, oh, I love these. Hold up. Wasabi peas. Wasabi peas, I think.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
I like these. Oh, cookies. Corn? I don't know what this is. Looks cool. Corn puffs, I guess. This. What are these?
Are they coconut?
I think this might be a super sour. This is
Here, let me see.
a My Hero Academia drink.
Caramel Carinto. Wheat cracker.
I think pineapple gummies. Coca-Cola gummies. Twist corn.
No, how it's called a hard candy.
Hard candy. Rice, I think pretzel chocolates, I don't know.
Rice, pretzel, chocolates. It says chocolate.
Holy, this is ginormous.
Some rice crackers.
Yeah, I think that's it. This looks good. And the last one, I think it's some peach gummies.
Ooh.
Alright, we have ourselves a treat here, so let's try that first. Alright, we're gonna try this first. Move the box out of the way.
Yeah, they've got buckies.
Wow. Holy Lord, did you guys see that? Anyway, these. We'll try the butts. Butt candy. What even are these? This better not have a moccasine. Little butts. I'm not.
Brother,
My apple pie. These are little corn guys. This bag is cute. Corn cracker. Corn pops. Okay. That's really good. Oh my god.
Very bad. Very last name. How was everything?
It's really good.
What are you trying now?
Corn puffs.
Can I try?
Yeah. Sorry, my brother's screaming in the background. How do I open these?
Why are you running?
No, that was not me. That's so cute.
Uh-oh.
And then, can I just finish my flip buds? Really? Can you stop screaming?
That's not fair.
What do you mean what's not fair?
I never tried that before.
Yes, you have.
But I don't remember. You have bad
Oh, I
jobs.
love these.
You have bad jobs.
Well, this is the same thing as these.
What are they?
This is wasabi balls. These are wasabi seeds. I love these.
I want to try one.
They're
Yeah.
spicy.
Do I have tree nuts in them?
See?
Huh?
I don't know if we should have them.
Why? You should have one.
These are good. Oh, my brother. Wait, want to be in the video?
Yeah, huh?
My brother's coming into the video. Oh, we're good. Really, they're spicy, don't. What is the ones that they gave me like a million? Crackers. What am I gonna do with all these?
Did it spill?
Yeah, clean crew, please.
Hey, what does it have in it? What's this have?
Probably just bread.
Huh?
Probably just bread.
Yeah, let's retry stuff, are you?
I'm not.
Alright, actually, those you can have those.
You have these?
Those, yes, I checked them. Let me check again.
And I really want to try that. I tried that before. I had that before.
Have you had that before?
Huh?
Have you had this before?
Oh, right them.
Yes, read me this.
I had that before. And I want to try again.
Can I put some in a little cup for you?
Yeah, just a little. Like I would add.
Yeah.
But it's fine.
Whoa, what's that mean?
It's not his fault.
No, it's just the
You're right.
silicone or whatever it is.
Right.
Whoa, whoa. Glass. Why is it glass?
Just be careful with it.
Yeah.
Also got myself a
Good.
Naruto drink. I got a melon flavor. It's really good.
Do you like it, Reese?
And over here, pineapple gummy rings. Wait, what are the oranges?
That was good.
Good.
And I need
All right.
more dry.
All right.
You need one more drop. Can I give him one more drop in there?
Yeah, one more drop.
Just like this now.
God.
Look to this. And that's it. That sounds good.
Good.
No, I'm not sponsored by anyone. I just got this from a place called Sweets and Geeks. You might have been there if you live in Ohio. I don't know if... Dad, is there any other Sweets and Geeks than Ohio?
No, there's just those two places, just Medina and North Olmsted.
Oh yeah, if you... Okay. Now we're gonna try these. Hello Kitty. No. Coca-Cola heart candies. Oh, Reed, they're too small for you. You can't have them. They're a choking hazard.
No! God, please, no! No!
Hey, who's gonna eat all these?
Me.
I got like 18 snacks. And I don't know what I'm gonna do with all of them.
And I got billion snacks.
Comment below if you want one of these. And I'll pick a winner. And I'll send a pack to them. Just like 2 of these. Okay, they're really good.
Okay. Then try.
Oh yeah, he's gonna try those. Actually, take that. Whoa. Okay. Yeah, good. It's fizzy. It's very fizzy.
How is it?
Ooh, these look so good. These little chocolates. I can't even open these. No, dog, stop. No, not the dog.
What's she doing?
I don't know, it's one of them. Oh yeah, my dog's just casually sitting on my chair. I don't know what these things are, but they look good.
Yeah. Why do you want? Why do?
They don't taste very good.
Just like
Well,
this many in it. So this many. This more in it. This is a little. Two. Yeah, this much. This much. Please.
alright.
This enough. Yeah. Enough. Yeah. Do it. Do it.
There's one more,
Hey, I remember last time.
but I don't really want to try it.
Potato.
I have 3 more. But there's one I don't really want to try.
Potato.
One more. Laser.
Laser eye.
Okay.
Laser eye.
Yeah, I think I haven't watched it, so. Gotta have these. I don't even know what these are. They could be, oh no, they're like corn twists. So they're like Cheetos.
I've been waiting to try this. Wait. I've been ready to try.
Well, he's gonna try those. I really want to.
You open them for me?
They're like jellies.
I want to try them.
I'm gonna do
Fill that
these
cup
now.
up. Fill it up.
I've been waiting for these so long. Alright, here we go. I've been waiting for these since the beginning, but I was gonna try that one. Yeah. No. Smells like garlic onion. That tastes like seafood.
That doesn't have.
Alright, guys. Well, I don't really know what to do with all this other stuff, but I don't want to do it too big giveaway. So one of these little packets is giveaway because I have a million of these. So make sure to like, subscribe, comment your username, just comment down below, and yeah, you'll win one of these. So bye guys, see you in the next one.
I just want to say